Hi everybody. Science is a knowledge gain through the use of questions and experiments about the physical and living world. Science has many branches. Among them, chemistry is something interesting to learn. Chemistry is internal to our understanding of the natural world around us. Today, we are going to learn atoms and molecules. An atom is a fundamental piece of matter. Everything in the universe except energy is made up of matter. And so, everything in the universe made up of atoms. An atom itself is made up of three tiny kinds of particles called subatomic particles. There is protons, neutrons and electrons. Scientists, researchers and derived modern atomic theory. The main postulates of modern atomic theory are as follows. An atom is no longer indivisible. Isotopes, atoms of the same element, may have different atoms. Isobars, atoms of different elements may have same atomic masses. Atoms may not always combine in a simple whole number ratio. Example, glucose. Atom is the smallest particle that takes part in a chemical reaction. The mass of an atom can be converted into energy, E is equal to mc square. The modern atomic theory is the basis for all the studies of chemical and physical processes that involve atoms. Let us discuss some more concepts about atoms in this lesson. Atomic mass. Protons and neutrons have considerable mass, but electrons don't have such a considerable mass. So, the sum of the number of protons and neutrons of an atom is called its mass number. Individual atoms are very small and it is difficult to measure their masses. You can measure the mass of macroscopic materials in gram or kilogram. The mass of an atom is measured in atomic mass unit, that is AMU. Atomic mass unit is 1/12 of the mass of a carbon-12 atom, an isotope of carbon which contains 6 protons and 6 neutrons. Next one, relative atomic mass. As an atom is very small, its absolute mass cannot be determined directly. The early pioneers of chemistry used to measure the atomic mass of an atom relative to an atom of another element. It's defined. The relative atomic mass of an element is the ratio between the average mass of its isotope to 1/12th part of the mass of a carbon-12 atom. It is denoted as AR. It is otherwise called standard atomic theory. Next topic, average atomic mass, AAM. How can one measure the atomic mass of an element? It is somewhat more complicated because most of the naturally occurring elements exist as a mixture of isotopes, each of which has its own mass. Thus, it is essential to consider this isotopic mixture while calculating the atomic mass of an element. The average atomic mass of an element is the weighted average of the masses of its naturally occurring isotopes. But the abundance of isotopes of each element may differ. So, the abundancy of all these isotopes are taken into consideration while calculating the atomic mass. Then what do we mean by a weighted average? Let us consider an element which exists as a mixture of 50% of an isotope having a mass of 9 AMU and 50% of another isotope having a mass of 10 AMU. Then its average atomic mass is calculated by the following equations. Mass of one isotope into percentage abundance of first isotope. Mass of second isotope into percentage abundance of second isotope. Thus for the given element the average. Students, I hope you understood this portion. Some examples are given in the textbook. Do as a homework. Thank you.